Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss virtual environment in Python. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So a virtual environment is a Python environment that is an isolated working copy of Python which allows you to work on a specific project without affecting other projects. Now we are going to discuss what is the need of virtual environment. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So it is basically a tool that enables multiple side-by-side installations of Python, one for each project. This means that each project can have its own dependencies regardless of what dependencies every other project has. So let's go ahead and I will show you how we can create virtual environment in Python. So guys, first of all, we need to check how many modules or packages are installed on our system. So to check these packages, we need to run few commands on the command prompt. So let's open up the command prompt. So to open command prompt, we need to press Windows R button and then we will type cmd in this box and hit enter. So it will open command prompt. So to check how many modules or packages are installed on our system, we need to run following command in this command prompt. So let's run this command. So command is pip and list and hit enter. And this command will give you the list of installed modules of Python on your system. Or we can say that it is a global version of Python installed on your system. So guys, now we are going to create a virtual environment. So I am going to close it and I will create a directory here with name projects and hit enter. Now let's create a new virtual environment. So to create a new virtual environment, type the following commands in projects folder. So let's open this folder. And I will type command in this address bar and it will open the command prompt in this project folder. And now I'm going to create a virtual environment here. So to create virtual environment, let's run the following command python -m venv, and now we are going to type the name of virtual environment and I'm using the same name, and that will be venv. So the name of our virtual environment will be venv, and now I'm going to hit enter. This command will create a directory in projects folder, and that is basically a virtual environment. So here it is, you can see this. Now guys, I will activate this virtual environment. So to activate this virtual environment, let's go to the virtual environment folder. So this is venv and hit enter. And now you need to go to the script folder and then type activate.bat and hit enter. Now our virtual environment has been activated and it is the sign of activated virtual environment. Now guys, how can we deactivate this virtual environment? So to deactivate this virtual environment, we need to run a command here. So let's go to the venv folder, that is our virtual environment. So now we are venv folder and I will run deactivate command. So let's run it. Now our virtual environment has been deactivated. Now guys, how can we delete virtual environment? So to delete this virtual environment, we need to run the following command in the project folder. So let's go to the project folder. So guys, now we are in the projects folder and we will run this command, and that will be rmdir, and then we will type our virtual environment name, that is venv, and then I will use this / and s, and this / s will delete the entire tree, the subfolder, the subdirectories, things like that, and hit enter. So it is asking, are you sure to delete this virtual environment? So I am pressing Y and hit enter. Now this virtual environment has been deleted from our projects folder. So let's check it. So here it is. So we have deleted our virtual environment VNV successfully. So I hope it is clear to you guys. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.